Hey guys, welcome. This is G-Thumb, and I'll be showing you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So here we have a Rubik's Cube from the GAN.com. This is a Rubik's Cube, and it's a speed cube, definitely, so that we can do speeding. So to solve this Rubik's Cube until it's 6 size done, it is very easy. So let's start with white. So as you can see here, there is one white corner, the side. On the white, you will definitely have this. Then you just have to, as you see green here, on the other side, you just have to move it to the green side. Okay. What if there's another scenario where you have two coins on here and they are not on the same place, and you just have to move one corner. For example, I'll be using this green here, and you'll see that the other one is not. You put it down here, okay, down at the yellow part, where it's opposite. Okay, now you turn it to blue, okay, and then turn it up. So you may find one white piece over here which doesn't match, so you turn it down on your left, on your right, and you figure how to put it on the last layer, but you see that this part is moved, so you get it away so that you can put it back. Okay, and now you see white with orange. Just put it up, and you have sometimes it may be on the side like this, so you just have to move it down like that, okay, to the part, move it away, and move this back, which you have moved, okay, and then now you can match it with the rat and zip it up, okay, and then we have this, and I'm gonna teach you an algorithm called the right hand algorithm. So up, clockwise, anti-clockwise, anti-clockwise. Okay, this will help you on your way. Also the left hand, anti-clockwise, anti-clockwise, clockwise, clockwise. So now let's solve the corners. So here we have white, orange, and green. So it has to be white, orange, and green. So it has to be here or here. So when you move it to here, so that it's in the orange and green side with the white, the color we're trying to solve. And now you repeat the right hand algorithm. You can do it very fast. Then you have it on the plate. Same for the others. Blue rat goes to the blue rat, do the right hand. This one goes here, do the right hand. Okay, this one goes here, right hand, So let's check that there is T here, T here. Now let's solve the size. Here there is one blue and red here, so match it with the blue, and you see red on your right. Okay, on your right, but you put it to the left. If that piece is on your left, you do the right hand algorithm one time. Turn the cube until the white piece without is on your left, and do the left hand algorithm one time. See? Now that you have the piece on it, so you find a piece without the color yellow. Okay, for example, this one, orange, green. You put it on the other side, because green's here. Do one time of the left hand because that piece is at the right hand, and then do the right hand, turn the cube, the right hand. So same for the others.